Now, viewers, let's shift our focus to the state of Karnataka, where the investigation into Rania Rao's involvement in the gold smuggling case is getting more intensified. More details coming in. The case is getting more murkier, viewers. The investigating agencies have found out that there is a link to a Congress minister. They have found that Rania Rao, who is the main accused here, was in touch with this certain minister's driver. And now the investigative agencies are now looking into what was this link between the minister's driver and Rania Rao. Because remember, viewers, yesterday Ms. Rao's phone, laptop and all other electronic gadgets were scrounged for more details. There were multiple numbers. Of people from foreign origin were also found out. The security agencies are also looking over that factor. Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Smita from Kannada Newsroom. Smita, this case is getting murkier by the day. Yesterday, there was a name of a renowned hotelier's son involved. Today, there's a minister involved. Rania Rao has confessed that, yes, she did smuggle. What more can you tell us on this?
Exactly. This particular case initially was only looked as a pure gold smuggling case, but now as the days are progressing, this is turning into a political case also, as the opposition here, BJP, is demanding to reveal the two influential persons, that too a minister who is allegedly involved in the gold smuggling case. And as we have also accessed some documents from DRI sources, that is very clearly mentioned in the DRI documents that Rania Rao was in particular touch with the driver of a powerful minister down here in Karnataka. So now it is a bigger question, who is that minister and how was he linked in this case? Now the opposition party BJP is also holding a protest, and also we are having the budget session going on in Karnataka. And even in the budget session yesterday, this was a huge matter of discussion where the opposition party leaders, BJP party leaders, demanded the government to reveal the names of the minister who are involved in the case. And now the DRI document also says that Rania Rao was in touch with a driver of a powerful minister down here in Karnataka. And now there are a few call logs also which shows that there was a connection between this driver and Rania Rao, and that particular driver was also seen with this minister. So this link have to be thoroughly investigated by the DRI officials. And also along with the CBI also is conducting the investigation in the same case. And yesterday state government has also issued an order for CID inquiry regarding the protocol breach. Now, how did Rania manage to, swap from the security system, from the scrutiny system in the airport? Was she utilizing the contacts in the protocol department, which highly takes care of the VIPs' movements in the airport? Is anybody in this protocol department involved in this case? Will be investigated by CID. So this one case, gold smuggling case, is now under the radar of three particular investigative agency, primarily DRI, which took up the issue, and now CBI is also involved, and also state government has initiated a CID investigation regarding the protocol issue.
Yes, thank you, Smita, for those details. Indeed, the case is getting intensified. All hands on deck. The DRI, CBI and the CID, all three agencies are looking into the case. We'll keep coming back to you.